This is a Dirt Trax product feature.
You've seen all of us wearing FXR gear on the show and just about every video we produced. The company's been a valued supporter of both dirt tracks and snow tracks for years, and hey, they just make really nice stuff. Heck, I wore my FXR Vapor Pro jacket and pants for 8 seasons, and only after 5 years did I have to replace a zipper, and then I still wore it for 3 more years. I love that suit. It doesn't matter the season, the weather, or the activity. FXR makes nice-looking, durable gear, and its garment technology and style continues to evolve season after season. I just got my new FXR Adventure Lite Tri-Laminate suit, which includes a jacket and bibbed pants. I like the bib for an extra layer of protection on my body from cold wind, and it looks good on its own or with the jacket over it. The pants feature high pockets to store your phone, wallet, or a couple of tissues if your nose is running. Plus, there's waterproof zippers up to almost knee height so you can get your boots on easier. There's also zippers on the inner thigh that open to offer some ventilation when it warms up by lunchtime in this unpredictable fall weather. And adjustable suspenders and a Velcro adjustable back waist get this bib fitting you just right. And let's not forget the always important zippered fly for trailside emergencies. The jacket features a vented hood with adjustable shock cords that you can tighten over your head if you get caught in a downpour. Recurved sleeves and half elastic cuffs to keep the wind, rain, or mud out while riding. Large hand pockets with waterproof zippers and a YKK waterproof front zipper. It also features zip-open side vents and an adjustable shock cord waist and massive deep well inner pockets, as well as a tether retention D-ring. The suit features Omni stretch technology, which I love. I actually move around a lot when I ride, and that little bit of flexibility in the garment allows for some natural movements. Plus, if I decide to get fries with my burger at lunch, that little bit of stretch in the bib means I can still breathe on a full stomach. Both jacket and pants also feature a 15K breathable Hydrex Pro membrane, which means it's fully seam sealed and the outer material is rated to keep rain, mud, and water from puddles out, while the inner material allows for sweat to seep out and away from your body, resulting in a drier, more comfortable riding experience. Plus, all the zippers are waterproof as well. You have to keep in mind that if you run hot or sweat more than the average dude, it's going to be tougher for the dry venting to keep up, if you get my meaning. And you might notice a bit of extra moisture on the inside of your suit. At least that's been the experience from some of our crew. Plus, as much as I like the ventilation zippers, I wish they had a mesh liner behind them so what I'm wearing underneath wasn't just exposed. Now obviously this isn't an insulated cold weather suit. It actually has a warmth rating on FXR's website of 1. But I'm wearing some thermal gear underneath to keep me warm, and the suit fits me great. I'm wearing a large jacket, and the medium bib fits good in all the right places, and it's the perfect length for my height. Plus, it folds down small into the zippered pocket so you can pack it in your storage and throw it on if the weather changes. My only regret is that I kind of wish I had gone up a size or 2 so I could have the suit on demand when I needed it and just throw it on over bulkier layers while I'm out riding. That said, I'm happy with the way mine fits, and you'll just have to figure out how you want to use yours. FXR's Adventure Lite Tri-Laminate suit is a great choice for spring and fall riding when weather is about as unpredictable as rush hour traffic. Either one of these garments can be worn as a set or look just as good on their own, and are available in a variety of colors so you can mix and match to suit your own style. Whether you wear it out for your ride or stash it in your gear bag or cargo box until you need it, FXR's Adventure Tri-Laminate jacket and bib are designed for serious off-roaders who experience everything from downpours to muddy trails. And it'll keep you dry and comfortable so you can just enjoy your ride.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the Dirt Trax crew.